Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's isiforex here again, and this video, as it's titled, is some of my some of you guys, especially new traders, have been wondering what platform I use to trade, basically, or what platform I use to do my analysis, my technical analysis, and make my forecast for any instruments that I want to trade. And I use MT4 Trader. That's what my broker uses, not MT5. My broker uses MT4 only, MT4 Trader, and their own trading app. That's the platform I use to enter my trades. That's the platform I use to take my trades and get live on the market, trading the financial market. And also, what I use to do my analysis is TradingView. TradingView, you can just go to tradingview.com here. So I'll show you guys how to set up your TradingView account, basically, which is really easy. Just go to your Chrome or whatever browser you're using. So I love using Chrome, so go to your Chrome, type tradingview.com, and immediately it will take you to this site directly. I can still do that again. Tradingview.com. Sorry, the network is a bit slow here. Okay, so basically it's the same thing. It's the same outcome. Tradingview.com, and you're taking directly to this place, and then you you log in with your account. You may want to log in with your whatever email you're using. You may want to log in and you know getting started. With network here is crazy. And you sign in. So basically, for the platform, they have the free version of it. They have the paid, which is this Pro. There's Pro Plus, and then there's Premium, which is about monthly, annually. You have 16% of which is 2 months free. Here with this, there are sometimes ads pops up. So if you're starting out on your trading journey, you won't want to go for the paid, or if you have enough resources to go for the paid, good, better, because there are certain privileges that you would enjoy that someone using the free cannot enjoy. So pro, distraction free, and investing with more blah 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 indicators. They'll give you indicators, distraction free. That's no adverts on your whatever, and then it's about 30 days, $14.95, and then these are the basic benefits. The same thing here. You hear basically there's something called bar replay, so you really love to do that, which helps in your back testing when you're trying to optimize whatever pair you want to start trading or whatever instrument you want to start trading. The same thing goes for this $29.95, which is a Pro Plus, and the $59.95, which is a premium monthly payment, which is the uh, 4 times more data on chat, 20 bars, whatever. But just know the higher they go, this premium is better than the Pro Plus, and then the Pro Plus is better than the Pro. It has an Android app as well, which in which if you don't have a desktop or a system to view, you can actually use the Android app. Still the same thing basically. So you sign in with whatever email you are using. So this email I'll be using is a fresh email, which would be the free version of it. So I'll continue as this, signing in with this app this here. Yeah, so there you choose a photo you want to upload, whatever photo you want to choose from your gallery, you upload your username. I'd like to opt out, whatever market emails you want to opt for market emails, and whatever you want, basically. So that's it, guys. We'll continue, and then I'm logged in. That's my TradingView account. Then from here you can search whatever instruments you want, from the stock to the futures to forex to crypto to index to bonds to economic, whatever. Let's check out BTC, or let's check out the US 30. Yep. Okay, yeah, this is the US 30 chart, and this is what it will look like if you are using your desktop and you are new and you are coming in for first time. This is where you basically make all your analysis to analyze the market. What do we expect? What is going on in the market? How can I trade? What current position is the market? And basically, this is why I do my technical analysis. This is the daily time frame. This is where you can check what you're doing. This is the daily time frame, so you can change your time frame from here from ranging from 1 second to 5 seconds to 15 seconds to 30 seconds to minutes to hours, and then I think the highest here you can choose whatever range you want around this level. Yeah, that's how interesting it is. Even for the free version, is that detailed. Is that detailed to you there are basic tools that you can use here to check what pattern is in the market, what's going on in the market. Basic tools. Whether it's your trend line, you want to know what trend you're currently on. Yeah, you want to know what trend you're currently on. Want to know what's going on in the market. You want to know, is the trend broken? What's the trend? You basically seen that US 30 is on a downtrend in the daily. It's generally in a downtrend in the daily due to the break of structure I had previously, and now you can actually see that we are pushing down, we are pushing to the downside, of which you can actually use your instruments here to know what's going on in the market. If I right click on this trend line, if I right click on this trend line, it will show me something like uh, an info box. It should. I think network is really crazy. That's why. So basically, guys, okay, yeah, it did appear. So show me something like an info, something like clone. So you can actually clone this trend line like that. You know, trend lines should be properly in order. So from this one, you can do your technical analysis, and basically let me do short analysis with this, so you know what position we are on US 30, and just call this a free info, a free analysis. Network is bad. Network is really bad here. Yeah, guys, network is giving us a lot of problems. So basically, that's it, guys. You can do your analysis on whatever instruments you want to trade, and that is it for trading view. Thanks. It's easy for you. Do also like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Put comment in the comment section, and if you haven't liked, please opt in now. Please do also like. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe, turn on your post notification, and it helps. God bless, and have a wonderful trading week ahead.